Hello, I'm Zhang He. We are Team 12. Today I will introduce our project, a system for synthesis of speech from text. Our sponsor is Professor Michael Phipps, and our team members are Hong Zixu, Bo Wenxu, Zhang He, Wei Weiqing. Next, introduction. The text-to-speech is busy our computer to produce spoken words by converting text to voice. In other words, text-to-speech software is a speech synthesizer that vocalizes text in real time in a natural way. And about the motivation, the approach of this project is significantly different from the traditional approach to make a computer speech. Uh, Significant algorithmic work needs to occur to deal with the following issues. The speech samples may not be uniform in length. It will be necessary to tune any needing or following data, and the speech must have some level of tone, especially questions and exclamation.
Hi, I'm Wei Wei. About the state of the art, we made up voice processing. It will make the voice sound more smooth. This solution helps us to get an optimized voice and make some tones of the voice. We try to make it stimulate the tone in different situations, such as interactive synthesis should have emotional ups and downs rather than a simple mechanical sound. And the weakness of it is that some words will be repeated. We haven't found the reason for this program at present. According to our database, it allowed us to have about 3,000 words output. But it's not enough, you know. There are thousands of words in our daily life we use. The core idea of our program is to store the speech data of a single word in a speech database. And then the system transmits the text data to the database through text recognition and segmentation. Then the voice data is processed and the processed voice is fed back to the user. So let's have a look at our system diagram. It can help us better understand the principle of the program. Firstly, the general user enters what text they want to say. After that, the system will call the recognition API, that is the application program interface. In this part, the system will recognize the input text data and judge whether it is recognizable and valid text data. For example, according to our test, our program cannot recognize some unknown words such as human names, place names, and artificially synthesized words. This data is then transferred to the next section, which we can call word segmentation. It will divide synthesis into words. Then it will search the dictionary database for word data and find the corresponding voice data file and get feedback. Last, the voice set corresponding to the user input will be played. That's how we get the voice.
Hi, this is Hongzi. Let me introduce you some implementation details about our project. At first, we need a Windows 7 and above operating system, and we use Python to build our system. So, why we choose Python to build our system? Let me explain the reason for you. Python is highly extensible and has the most abundant and powerful class library in scripting languages. These libraries cover most application scenarios, such as file GUI, network programming, database access, and text operations. Our platform is PyCharm. PyCharm is the most popular Python IDE at present. Okay, next. Let me introduce you different functions in our system. Function 1, word recognition. Our system can be recognized the sentence, but we only suitable for recognition English at present. Function 2, sentence segmentation. Our system can divide the words in the sentence one by one. And last, function 3, audio precision, the most important functions in our system. And we create 4 sub-functions in here, include add echo, rescale, create tone, noise precision. Okay, next, let me demonstrate the working code. You can see the sentence. Please click here text. Input your text need to transform to speech in the interface. Okay, I click here and I input the sentence what you want to convert, such as hello, nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you.
You can hear the system output the hello, nice to meet you. Okay, let Bowen introduce next part for you.
Hi, I'm Bowen. Now, let me introduce the use test cases. The table lists our test results. Here, we use 5 examples to show the results. We used 5 examples with different errors for comparison, including spelling errors, punctuation, and space errors. In general, we set up the operating rules. We need to enter the correct text format. The system will convert it into voice. If the text format is input incorrectly, the system will display key errors. This is convenient for users to correct and check the error. The impact of our work on society is our system not only opens up applications and information that are used in new ways, but also has the ability to make it easier for people who cannot read the text on the screen to access the word. As a powerful tool, users will lament its simplistic and convenience, and are more enthusiastic about using our system in their life. Last but not least, let me introduce our group work. The team members are very united and often exchange opinions when encountering problems to ensure the progress of the project. For each part, the team members are enthusiastic to complete the team tasks, ensuring the smooth completion of our system. Also, a special thanks to the Hongzhi about milestone task preparation and word module function, to Wei Wei about early experiments and tests, to Ran about the voice processing module function. That's all. Thank you for your watching.